Hi guys. Hey, wanted to do a video on this model kit, the B-17CD versions from Academy. It's an old kit and I've had it for quite a while. I didn't realize that I had so much of it already done. So I'm taking a break from the Memphis Belle for a little bit and I'm going to get this one finished up because I've already got all the main parts painted. Got the exhaust stacks in and painted, the superchargers, got the wings, the fuselage, all that painted. Got the cockpit more or less put together. Got to put the seats in. Got the bombs. Back early they were like yellow zinc chromate. The bombs before, I think it was 43, they started going more olive drab. So I got the bombs painted and gonna put them on the bomb rack. And then just your basics. Got the cowlings I still got to put on. Instructions. Decal sheet. I guess I'm gonna do this as the C model. But yeah, I already had a lot painted. I mean, the rear radio operator's bulkhead, landing gear's already painted. I mean, a lot of this stuff's already done, so I might as well start putting it together and get it out of the way. Bomb bay doors are sprayed. So I mean, it's pretty close, really. Propellers are already painted silver because back then they were silver. The seats, I gotta finish them up and whatnot. But got the Bombardier's floor and his control area, control box. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this one done up quick. It's got pretty good engine detail. Gotta get them painted and put on. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a break from the Memphis Belle because it's kind of frustrating me a little bit. It's my own fault. It's not the kid's fault. But so I'm gonna get this shark tail B-17C built, and I'll give you another video here as I get a little further through, because this thing, like I said, it's been sitting in a box, well, in its box, and for some reason I got this far on it and I just never excuse me guys, I never did anything with it. So yeah, definitely need to get off my butt and get this one finished up, huh? So yeah, we're gonna get her finished up. Here's the side boxes, on pictures on the side of the box. And like I said, it's the old shark tail. There's the picture with the Bombay doors open. And it didn't have the ball turret. It had like a bathtub thing the guy kneeled down in and shot. And he had a real shallow line of fire. Yeah. There's another picture of it. So, but anyway, pretty simple, really. Like I said, I already got most of the stuff already painted, so just detail the cockpit stuff and put that together and go from there. So anyway, take care, guys, and I will give you an update on this as soon as it's a little more close to being done. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there, guys. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and come back for more pretty cool stuff here down the road. Thanks. Bye.